Justwealth Personal Portfolios app. The pros, the cons. Justwealth Personal Portfolios is a Canadian robo-advisor designed for hands-off investing. But how effective is it? Starting with the pros first, automation. Justwealth builds and manages portfolios for you based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. Second, tax optimization. The app offers strategies like DFSA and risk management to maximize your after-tax returns. Third, goal-oriented planning. Justwealth allows you to set financial goals and track progress, making investing more purposeful. Now, the cons. 1. Drawback is fees. Management fees can be higher than some competitors, especially for smaller accounts. Another limitation is customization. Advanced investors looking to handpick individual securities may find the app restrictive. The surprising truth? Justwealth excels for investors seeking a guided, automated approach, but is less suitable for day traders. In conclusion, the pros automation, tax efficiency, and goal tracking make Justwealth ideal for hands-off Canadian investors. The cons fees and limited customization may deter those who want more control.